Hey, Pastor Brett here. Just real quick, my wife and I are down here at the by the Niagara River, and we're looking over here at Grand Island, and look what we see coming in. It was just really hot, a nice breeze started coming really strong, and we noticed my wife got a thunderstorm warning on her phone, but we saw it coming before, and you see the waves and the clouds right there. What you say they were? I can't remember.
Cirrus.
These are called cirrus clouds. They're storm clouds. So you can see the difference. It's gray, a little overcast, but then the lines started coming in, and they were actually over here. And then we looked, and we saw all the dark clouds. And I was watching the lightning strike in the midst of the dark clouds. And it's supposed to bring a severe thunderstorm. Right overhead, it says Niagara County. We're almost there. We're kind of on the border of Niagara County right now. Just see all the boats breezing by. They're just enjoying the water. It's coming though. It's coming. So we're gonna get out of the way of this storm and let it do its thing. All right. So I just wanted to share that with you. Otherwise, a beautiful day. Yeah, that's beautiful. That's awesome. That's God's handiwork. I just think that's so cool. I love watching thunderstorms, man. Lightning striking. I stand right in the middle of it. You know, you can see here, yeah, down there where it's clear, and then you see where it gets dark. So that's a really nasty thunderstorm coming, man. I love it. I like to sit right here and just get wet, man. But I'm surrounded by trees. I think I'll get in my car where it's grounded by the rubber tires, and we'll be good to go. Some guys on their ski-doos, man, whipping around. Just having a ball, man. These people are amazing. Just totally oblivious to what's going on. Wow. So, okay, everybody. I just thought I would share that with you. God bless you. Jesus loves you. We love you. And hope you have a great day. In Jesus' name.